Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the DEWALT Log Splitter. This is a 28-ton splitting capacity, has a 26-inch wide opening, powered by a Kohler overhead valve engine. Comes with a 2-inch ball receiver, and this is kind of a nice feature. It has a spring-loaded jack, so when you hook it on, it'll spring and pop up into place, so you don't have to worry about dragging that. Some other nice features you don't see on a lot of splitters. It does have hose guards on all the hydraulic hoses to help prevent chafing if you're rubbing up against something. Pneumatic tires for trailering. The hydraulic system's built right into the axle assembly, so very compact, simple design. And this could be used splitting upright, but what makes it convenient, you can just pull the one pin, pop this up, and you can load your logs from the side, so you don't have to lift the logs. DEWALT splitters are backed by a 3-year factory warranty, and like everything here at Weingartz, we take care of any service if you ever should have any problems. So if you're looking for a great high-performing log splitter, stop by and take a look at this DEWALT. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, everything from